walked through that room and didn't spot those hands until I came back through the room, right? And I think that's part of what was supposed to happen, that those black and brown hands became so integrated into that super sort of European colonial space that you didn't even notice them. And that's part of the history that Andrea is trying to bring to light, right? That all of these women, these midwives, contributed quite literally to the production of these people, the production of more people, the production of their workforce, and still managed to be completely written out of the history, right? I do think that this may have to do in part, we had spoken briefly about Andrea's Afro-Chinese history. And so these people know about the history of Afro-Caribbean people and all of that. But the Chinese, and to a lesser degree, Indians that were, East Indians that were also a part of this history are often written out, right? And I sometimes think that this has informed the way that Andrea approaches her work, looking for these histories that have been written out or sort of subsumed there, but nobody really pays that much attention, and trying to bring those to light. One of the things I also found really interesting about that work too is that those hands are made of soap, right? Black soap, I think is what she used. Black soap, of course, having its own kind of history and tradition within like West African practices, but also thinking about blackness as something that was always considered dirty, right? And soap as certainly the cleanest thing that it can possibly be. Also, these histories being cleaned out of the official narrative. And finally, something that Andrea has spoken about on a number of occasions is this idea of labor as medium. And so she's done versions of this project with paper making, with different things, and so she's very interested in learning new ways of making with each project and integrating that into the project so that her own labor is in the work, in the way that these midwives' labor is in everything about a space like Devon House, and about cultures like our own. Present, but not necessarily visible, but adding a sort of emotional force or charge that animates things, but again is an intangible element of the overall work.